students, now we are going to start with exercise 2.5. Topic is algebraic identities. First sum is based upon two identities. One is x plus a into x plus b, that is x square plus a plus b into x plus ab. Second identity is a plus b into a minus b, that is a square minus b square. Now in first sum, x plus 4 into x plus 10. See, identity is x square plus a plus b into x plus ab. So your a is 4 and b is 10. What you will do, x square plus a plus b into x plus ab means x square plus 4 plus 10 into x plus 4 into 10. Your answer is x square plus 14x plus 40. Is it clear? X square plus 14x plus 40. Now in second part, x plus 8 into x minus 10. Again same identity. A is 8, b is minus 10. So x square plus a plus b into x plus ab. So x square is as it is. This is 8 minus 10 into x plus 8 into minus 10. Your answer will be plus minus minus x square minus 2x minus 80. This is the answer. Clear? Plus minus minus. Same in third part. 3x plus 4 into 3x minus 5. Here you see x is also replaced by 3x. Clear? Means in your identity at place of x, in this sum, this is 3x. So firstly you will write the identity x square plus a plus b into x plus ab. Have you noticed one thing? I have used capital X here. Why capital X? Here capital X represents 3x. Clear? So 3x square plus 4 plus minus 5 into 3x plus 4 into minus 5. What will be the answer? Answer is 9x square plus minus 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 1 into 3x plus minus minus 4 5 are 20. So your answer will be 9x square minus 3x minus 20. That's all. Now give a proper review of these three parts of sum number 1 for 1 minute. Students, now we are going to discuss first sum fourth part, exercise 2.5, a plus b into a minus b. Identity is a square minus b square. Clear? Here your a is y square and b is 3 by 2 square. Means y square square minus 3 by 2 square. What you will get? Y power 2 into 2 minus 3 by 2 into 3 by 2. So your answer will be y4 minus 9 by 4. Is it clear? Same in fifth part. You are given with the statement 3 minus 2x into 3 plus 2x. This is again a minus b into a plus b. A minus b into a plus b. Identity is a square minus b square. A is 3 and b is a is 3, b is 2x. So what you will do? 3 square minus 2x square. Your answer will be 3 into 3 minus 2x into 2x. So what will be the final answer? Final answer will be 9 minus 4x square. That's all. Now give a proper review of these two parts for 1 minute. Students, now we are going to discuss sum number 2. Evaluate without multiplying directly. Statement is in first part 103 into 107. You will break the statement with 0. Means 103 can be written as 100 plus 3, 107 can be written as 100 plus 7. Again this is x plus a into x plus b. identity is x square plus a plus b into x plus ab. Here x is 100, a is 3, b is 7. Means 100 square plus 3 plus 7 into 100 plus 3 into 7. Answer is 100 into 100 plus 10 into 100 plus 21. So your answer will be 10,000 plus 1,000 plus 21. 11,021. Clear? Clear to you? We will use identity. Now in second part, your sum is 95 into 96. 95 into 96. See, 95 will be break down into 90. You can break this by 100 or by 90. 100 minus 5 into 100 minus 4. Clear? Now this is again the same identity. X plus a into x plus b is equal to x square plus a plus b into x plus ab. X is 100, a is minus 5, b is minus 4. What you will do? 100 square plus minus 5 into minus 4 into 100 plus minus 5 into minus 4. Your answer will be 10,000 minus 9 into 100 plus 20. This is 1000 minus 900. Sorry, 10,000 minus 900 plus 20. 10,000 minus 900 is 9100 plus 20 is 9120. Clear? We will not multiply the statement directly. We will use identity to find out the answer of this multiplication, this multiplication. Give a proper review of these two parts for 1 minute. Yes students, now we are going to discuss the third part of this sum, second sum, third part 104 into 96. See, 104 can be written as 100 plus 4, 96 can be written as 100 minus 4. This is a plus b into a minus b. Identity is a square minus b square. A is 100, b is 4. What will be the answer? 100 square minus 4 square. 100 square is 100 into 100, 4 square is 4 into 4. Your answer will be 10,000 minus 16, 9984. Clear? We will not multiply these two numbers directly. We will find the answer by using identity. Now in third sum, 9th standard, third sum, we will use these three identities. First is a plus b whole square. That is a square plus b square plus 2ab. Second is a minus b whole square. That is a square plus b square minus 2ab. Third is a plus b into a minus b, which we are using in this sum also, a square minus b square. Here I want to make you one thing clear. Identity can be used in from both the sides, either from this side or from this side. Clear? Means like in third sum first part, you are given with the statement 9x square minus 6xy plus y square. This is the expansion of a minus b whole square, right? We will write this in bracket notation. Suppose this is 3x whole square, this is y square, a square plus b square. In the middle, 2ab. So what is the answer? What is the answer? A and b in the bracket, sign from 2ab, whole square is there outside the bracket. Clear? Third sum, first part. Give a proper review of these sums for 1 minute.